What's up, everybody? It's your boy OG Kenny Lee. I'm coming at you today with another video. But before we get on the highway, I just want to let you guys know that this video is all about highway safety and how to navigate properly on the highway. Just a couple of things. There's many things, but this is just going to drop a couple of things for you. And keep in mind, in the beginning of the video, it's mostly just talk and chatter, but towards the end, that's where I drop the jewels. So stick around to the end, watch this video. Holla at your boy OG. Check it out. The thing that's good about highway riding is that there's really no intersections to worry about. All you have to worry about really is people, trying to merge into your lane. That's the biggest problem on a motorcycle. But hey, we chilling. We in 6th gear, going 79 miles per hour. That's about the flow of traffic, right? Just say yes. Just say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Have you ever been on your motorcycle and you kind of wanted like a 7th gear or 8th gear or something? Like, I know there's one more upshift, but there isn't. That's it, just 6th gear. Maybe that's like a Ninja 400 problem. I don't know. Maybe on bigger bikes you don't think like that because you already got all that power. Alright, I'm about to grab me something to eat. And I don't really ride that much, unfortunately. So you don't have to subscribe because, I'm not going to be around often to post a lot of videos. But, if you want to, go ahead, go ahead, subscribe. I'll see you when I see you. You'll see me when you see me, When I first started doing YouTube, I thought that I was going to be making more videos. But, life took its hold and work is super demanding, plus my children, so I don't really have time to ride as much as I wanted to, as I would like to, and I don't get as many chances to upload as I would like to. And sometimes I make videos though and just things didn't come out clear, whether the GoPro footage was grainy or the audio was choppy, so I just don't even upload it. If it's not something of value, I don't even upload it, So hopefully this video comes out good and clear because I haven't posted in a while, and I think it's about time for me to upload a new video. I'll be on vacation from work for the rest of this week, so I'm going to try to ride as much as I possibly can, Come on, y'all. So usually whenever you're riding on the highway and if there's an exit coming up, that's when people start to, merge and get off. That's why for a lot of motorcycle riders, it's just safer, absolutely safer to be in that far left lane. Even if it's going to be maybe like more than 3 exits, maybe more than 4 exits, just go ahead and stay in that far right lane. Hold up a second, let me stop this video right here just for 1 second. My bad, I made a mistake. See, when I'm on the highway, I have to think, and it's hard to really, say the right thing. But I said you want to stay on the far right side. No, that's wrong. I mean, you want to stay on the far left side of the highway. That's where cars are doing the less. Anyway, back to the video. Holla. More than 3 exits, maybe more than 4 exits, just go ahead and stay in that far right lane. And if you are going to be in this right lane, just keep that in mind, that people will be merging on and off a lot. That's the only thing about the highway is, like, you know, the far right lanes, a lot of activities going on, a lot of merging in and out. So you gotta, you know, watch out for that. You have to be ready to slow down, and or you have to be ready to weave, and you also have to be looking at who's behind you and what they're doing, because if you're slowing down but they're not, you know what happens. You know. And so many people are distracted drivers, man. You got cell phones, people are high, people are medicated, people are drunk, people just not paying attention, you know. So when you're slowing down, you got to watch out for who's behind you too, and be ready to, like, not just slow down, but slow down, swerve, and then speed up to get out the way. You know, that's why, like, I always tell in my videos for, like, the new riders to do as many parking lot drills as you possibly can. Get a big enough parking space where you can, you know, practice those drills, you know, slowing down and swerving out of the way. I think for the highway, that's the most important thing you need, is to be able to slow down and swerve, slow down and swerve. You know, I could pass this car, but I'ma chill. Because my exit's about to come up shortly anyway, so. No, not this lane. Not that lane. Alright, so see how homeboy's slowing down? And I'm looking in my rear view mirror, making sure that whoever's behind me is also slowing down. And that's the thing, like, you want to know what's going on around you at all times, 24/7. Well, you know what I'm saying, 360 degrees. What's going on around you? There should be no surprises. Like, oh, I didn't know that car was there. Oh, I didn't, you know. No. You can't afford that. Because if you have to swerve, you might have to swerve over there. Oh, what? Boom, that car's coming, you know. You didn't look to check your whole surroundings. Always have an out. That's what I teach my sons whenever it comes to, like, driving a car, is to always have an out. Never leave yourself, like, totally boxed in. You know, and if you are totally boxed in, just, you know, be very careful. Don't do anything super risky. Yeah, so we're getting off the highway right here, man. So hopefully, I'm about to go get me something to eat, man. But hopefully this video comes out nice and crisp. Good audio, good visuals. Because it's about time for me to upload another video. And like I said earlier, you don't have to subscribe because, you know, I really don't be posting like that. But if you want to, sure, go ahead. You know, that'll be cool, you know. You know, I would like to get to a point where I am uploading more videos, and, you know, even if it's just content from home, I just need to, you know, upload more. Even if it's just from home, you know, sitting there, you know, on my computer, talking about the new motorcycles coming out and things like that. You know, I think I'm gonna have to do that because I know I can't ride that often, but I do want to make more videos. So I need to get motivated and do it. So if you want to subscribe, great. If not, great. Thanks for watching. Holla at your boy, OG Kenny Lee. I'm about to get something to eat. Holla at your boy.